YouTubes, how's it going? Well, I started getting my front cross member cut out, and I think I've got a pretty good relief in here. That should give me plenty of room. And what I'm going to do, where did I put it here? I've got this piece of angle iron, and I'm going to lay this in on top of this bar like this, and lay a bead on that and weld that to the actually bring that forward. I might be able to get some down and maybe drill some holes and weld through it, but that'll be a strengthening rib inside that. And then I'm going to put my plate back in here like that, and I think that's going to work good. And then I'll box in the ends here. This one will be easier. That one got cut back a little bit too far there. I'll have to fill that up, but I think that's going to work. That should give me plenty of strength and lots of clearance for my front pulley. Okay, I got my piece welded in, the angles welded in. Got the two end pieces capped off. Now I'm just going to run an angle piece of plate across the whole top of that and weld it all up, close it off, and grind it off smooth. Well, folks, there's the finished product. Got my notch a good inch back at the bottom there, and sloping in so I can drop the motor in. And between that and the frame rails, got everything's set to go, I think. I'm going to pick up just some chassis black and wipe it all down and give it a coat of paint. And, well, actually I need to get my motor mounts welded in before I do that. Those are on their way. Put in a Speedway order, and they should be coming shortly, but they will go somewhere right around in this area and that area over there, and should be ready to go. So, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, feel free to comment. Let me know if there's something you see that you think is should be addressed, and we will talk to you soon.